Hi guys, hope you're well. So it's been really nice teaching you and lecturing you about all things digital and photography, but today it's time to get out of my comfort zone, like really get out of my comfort zone. Greg set me a challenge that I have to walk around and ask strangers on the beach here in Dominican Republic and ask them if I can take a photo of them. Something that sounds like the biggest nightmare for an introvert like me. There is no way out unless I run. So I guess I just have to do it. Greg, there is no one here. No one. Zero. I can take photos of palm trees, you know. I'd rather prefer to take photos of palm trees, to be honest.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
7.5. I don't handle rejection well, you know, I'm very emotional.
Got family people over there.
I don't want to ask them. I don't want to ask family. They are, you know, they are family. I'm just gonna ask someone else. There's gonna be people. So ideally, we're looking for people who speak English, because my Spanish is just nah. But overall, I'm aiming to get 5 photos, or maybe ask 5 strangers to take photos of them. Hi, I have a question. I'm Eva and I'm a photographer. Can I take a photo of you?
Oh my gosh, okay, if you want.
Yeah, is it okay for my partner if you would film it for our YouTube channel?
Sure.
Is that okay?
I mean,
Because yeah, we're just photographers, and then I would like take photo and you can either take my email or I can take your email. I'm gonna edit it and send it to you.
wow, that'd be cool.
Yeah?
Thank
Awesome.
you, we're very much honored.
Yeah, amazing. Let's try get closer together for the first one. Beautiful. Yeah, and let's get one like of you two just walking towards me, also like quite close together. Beautiful, thank you very much. Yes, so we've got first photo, couple of photos, and they were super nice, they were super sweet. And you know, asking strangers is actually not even that bad, like just when you want to take a photo of them. What I think is stressful for me is to ask them like, oh, is it okay if my partner films it for YouTube video? Oh, and it's like, oh. So yeah, but they were super nice, super cute, and I'm very proud of what we got so far. No, I'm a photographer. I wanted to take a picture of you and send it to you on your email if you want. Is that okay? Me and my partner, we're teaching photography.
Okay.
Is it okay if my partner filmed me taking a photo of you?
Okay.
Yeah?
No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, and now a beautiful portrait with palm trees for you. Beautiful, thank you. So 2 wins, 0 rejections so far. We've got another lady, absolutely cute and lovely. So another photos added to my challenge. Oh, that's a horse. Just there. I'm taking a photo of the horse. Can I take a photo of you? Is it okay? Yeah? Thank you. Thank you. Can I take a photo of you? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And another win, number 3. It was super easy though, because there was a group of ladies approaching us on horses. So it's obviously like such a photogenic situation. I just pointed my camera, asked them if I could take a photo of them. They said yes and galloped away. It's actually such a cool photo. You can see those ladies were loving life, like who wouldn't really? But love it. Hi. Hola, do you speak English?
Photo.
I want to take I'm a photographer. I wanted to ask if I can take a photo of you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Just here.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful palm trees and water in the back.
Don't mind. Oh.
Yeah, go on. Nice, very nice. And just one like walking towards me maybe?
Into the river.
Yeah. Beautiful. So you really don't realize how nice people are until you ask to take a photo of them on the beach. We got 4 wins, 0 rejections, got another lovely couple that in exchange of a photo they ask if we can support their son project. He has a project that's aimed to clean the oceans, and I think we can even drop an Instagram here. Why not? Yeah, so let's support each other. And I got another photo out of that. So far so good. Can't believe that I've not had any rejections yet. It's actually incredible. So clearly people either love having photos taken of them, or I'm too scary for them to say no to me. A or B, what do you think? And I'm really getting some nice natural photos that I'm gonna send to them. Hola, habla inglés? Can I take a photo of you? I'm a photographer and I could see that you were taking photos there. So I felt like you have this beautiful sombrero and a dress, and I wanted to take a photo of you, and I can send it to you on the email if that's okay. Yeah?
Your choice.
If you want. Of course.
No.
Yeah? And just one with the palm trees. Uh-huh. Beautiful, yeah, this is really nice. Amazing, thank you. Win number 4, there was a nice couple. They seemed a little bit hesitant at the beginning, but I could see the lady snapping photos of herself back there, so I knew that she'll be up for it. And actually, after I took a photo of them both, she suggested and asked if I can take a photo of her next to the palm tree. So yeah, I sensed her well. There was a local boy that approached us and asked if we want to buy a coconut. So while he was there, I asked him if he wants a photo of him taken. Yeah, and he said yes. So I got another amazing photo. I think it's got so much character because he's holding a machete with a coconut. I think it just shows beautifully the whole character of destinations where we are at the minute. So that's it, guys. It looks like we've run out of people here on the beach. However, all of those that did pass through, they all said yes. We had no rejections. All of the people were extremely nice. We had some really great conversations, and I hope that you liked the photos too. Yeah, and just to summarize, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It was actually quite fun, and just like I said before, I was quite keen to keep going, but there were just not enough people. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on photography, videography and digital marketing, please subscribe. See you next time.